Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm going to be showing you this amazing plugin I've been using on my melodies of late, and it has been giving me this amazing feel. And I'm also going to show you guys how to create like an Afro swing, an Afro pop kind of vibe. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. First thing I always do is to set up my tempo. So I'm just going to set up a very chilled, calm tempo, and I'm going to go to around like 97 BPM. So quickly, I'm just going to drag in a drum loop that is going to just give us a vibe, just to layer the vibe, so we could start with something. And this is what it sounds like. Nice. So I'm not going to turn off the metronome so I could then play in some nice chord. And today, guys, I'm not going to be using Sky Keys. I'm going to be using a plugin called Diva. It has nice sounds. I've just been sleeping on it. I had it for a while. And then let's go over to the preset, and I'm going to go to the polysynth and this HS passcode. Amazing. I just love the sound. So I'm just gonna go to the main and just do some little things, take off these two knobs, and I think I'm gonna bring down the reverb a little bit. So we have this now. Just something simple, just a 3-chord progression, nothing much. We have this all together, we have this vibe. So but I'm gonna quantize it so it sits really well on time. So together we have this. Yeah, so one thing I love, starting the video I said I was gonna show you some tricks you could use to actually make your melodies sound really interesting. One is using effect, and for this I'm gonna be using like a couple of effects. I'm just gonna send this to my mixer. One thing you can always do to your melody is like putting in kickstarts. Some plugins can just do it by themselves. You just drag the attack, like reduce the attack so it doesn't just start immediately. So that's what I'm gonna do with kickstart. So it's have something like this. And I could add in like an effect like modern melodies. I love this plugin. So I'm gonna let's go over the effect, and there's this effect I really like. I think it's turbo, and you have this. And I think I'm gonna change the key. So this is on the key of C. I just want to change it to the key of like E flat, so we have something. Nice. So together we have this. And on that thing, which I always do for my melodies, is to take up the middle note. Just try it sometimes. It just gives it this openness, gives the chord some nice vibe. So that's just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick up like this middle note. I could take this up an octave to have. So that's the second trick. The first trick is to use some nice effect on your plugin like kickstart or just playing around with the attack. The second is like taking the middle note and octave. It just gives it an openness, guys. Try it out. So yeah, we have this all together. So we can make this unique, make the first one unique. So the first one, put the middle note down. We have this. Nice. So we started building the vibe, and I actually love the way it sounded. So the next thing I could add in like my kick, and actually just need like a very, very punchy kick. So let's go with this kick. So create a new pattern, and let's call this kick. So I'm gonna layer the kick, and I need something like just a simple bounce. Let's take this, increase the velocity, and let's hear what it sounds like. Yeah, so together we have this. Nice. So I think I could add in some nice guitar melodies, and there's this amazing pack by Colors. I'm just going to go to the colors pack and pick some nice. Let me go with this. So let's see. I like this vibe. So I could add in some nice vocal sample, and shout out to Ace. They've created like a bridge. Let's just do that. So I'm just gonna load in Ace Studio, and all I just need to do, this is Ace Studio, so all I just need to do is link this to Ace Studio, and I could play in some MIDI, create some melodies, and the melodies I create automatically just creates like a vocal sample for me. Okay, so let's see what we could create. So let's create that melody and see what it's gonna create for us. So all I just need to do is come over to the Ace bridge and just hit on record. So let's see. Nice. So then I come to the AI vocal, and yeah, let's hear what that sounds like. So you can see it has created, it has created the vocals here. What I played automatically, we have it here. Nice. So you can work with our vocal, what we've created. Nice. So I could then go to Ace, and just export the vocal and just use it for what I want to do. So I'm just gonna drag it back into FL Studio. You can also just spend time creating a better sample. So together we have this. Just pitch it down. Nice. So tactic. I can hit some EQ on the the melody. Then I think the next thing I can add is just a bass, and I just need a very simple bass. So I go over to clip time bass. There we go. I think I like this. Just simple, sometimes you don't need to really do much. You don't really need to do much to have like a nice vibe, man. You don't really need to do you guys, I can't emphasize to have this now. Nice. So let's make this whole whole drum vibe heavy. I can add in like what is it called, like iron pusher, just to make it really, really heavy. So this is on that guitar melody, which I really love. So what I can do again is to add in an effect, add in like modern melodies, and let's look for some nice preset from modern melodies. And let's see what it sounds like. Let's see. I like this. Nice, guys. So definitely try out modern melodies, man. Go try modern melodies. So without it, you can hear what it sounds like. So giving it this, and I love I don't know how to explain it, but I really love the the feel of it. Nice. So this melody too, this particular one, I could give it some other melody. Let's see. I like that. So together. So even this drum feel, I feel like giving it like modern melodies. So it's just put it in the right mood with the whole vibe. Let's see zipped. I don't know what it's gonna sound like, but let's just see that. Yeah, it's kind of like that. So if you see now, it has put the drums together. It's making the drums feel like it's in the same space, with the whole melody and everything. So. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give it some modern melodies. So let's see. Nice. So I think this is fire now. At this point I can stop. You get the idea on how you can just use modern plugins to get modern VST to get some nice, or just taking your melodies to another level. So let's see. Nice. So I think I'm done at this point, and I can see, yeah, we have like a very solid vibe. All right, guys. So let's just listen from the top and see what we were able to come up with. Yeah, and this is nice. So this is one way you can take, your loop you're using to another level, just taking it from sounding the normal way it's normally gonna sound to adding like more VSC on it and giving it a different feel. All right, guys. So I hope you got something from this video. If you did, man, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it. And if you love content like this, let me know in the comment section. And if you are yet to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is going to be in the description. Joining the Patreon, you get access to FLPs, new sample packs I get to release for free. Just join the Patreon, link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.